Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you could solve the problem of a hard disk not showing the so-called RAW error. So when you open your PC shortcut after plugging your hard disk, it doesn't show, it doesn't appear, you cannot use it, and sometimes you are being asked to insert it or even to format it. To solve that, you need to go to your search tab and you need to type create and format hard disk partitions. This application will appear. Click on it to open it. Once done, you will need to wait until the application loads, and here it will show you. So just for your information, the local disk C, it appears under the disk 0 or number 0, and I would suggest you to have the PC shortcut open if you have multiple partition to compare to make sure that you are working on the proper partition or the proper hard disk. So here I can see that only my hard disk is appearing, local disk C, with 238 giga, and the other hard disk is not appearing. So now it shows unallocated. If this is the reason why my hard disk was showing RAW problem. So now I will just click with the right button of the mouse on it. You will click New Simple Volume. You will need to click Next. You leave this simple volume size, you leave it by default because it matches with the space of your hard disk, and you need to click next. Just assign the following drive letter. You can choose whatever letter you would like. I will leave it as letter Z, for example, and I will just click next. I will leave it NTFS file system, and I will leave it. Please note, when you are choosing the second option, you will format your hard disk. So if you are having any sensitive data, I would suggest you to look for another solution, because this solution which I'm providing will format. Because if you choose do not format this volume, it will not work anyway, and you will not be able to access your data. So next, I will click next, and I will click again next. This is only telling me what I'm doing as operation, and we'll just click finish. Once done, the hard disk will be formatted and it will appear sooner in your PC shortcut. As you can see guys, I have it now new volume Z, and it's working with the full size. So now you can go ahead and use your hard disk which has been raw. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always leave us a comment or send us an email, and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us, you can always press like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest video and also to get our support. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.